Hi there. I'm not entirely sure why I've been announced as Emmy. My name is actually Jonathan, and I'm here to be doing a reading. See, all the other acts tonight have been, comedians, so this should be a nice little break. I've written a piece of literary genius for you all. It is an erotic fan fiction about my teacher, Miss Webb. Let's begin. She entered the room, an elegance in her stride, a gleam in her eye, and a boing-bazoing in her boobies. Her gaze was almost immediately drawn to my crotch, like a magnet. She couldn't control it. Her eyes were flies, and my crotch was shit. As she stared at me, it was as if her eyes were fondling me, and I immediately grew a boner so big it tore through my clothes, just like Ted Bundy tore through his victims. Time passed, and as the end of school got closer, so did I. She wore a low V-neck shirt from which her melons screamed at me like slowly deflating balloons. "Let us out, John," they cried. "We are slaves. Let us be free." And her talking tits were right. There was no event in history where the extent of slavery was this severe. Boobies should be free to run around and play tag. So coolly. I should warn you guys, this next bit is where things get a little bit sexy. So if you're a bit sensitive, maybe you should leave. This is the bro zone, Eventually the bell chimed 3:15 and everyone except for me rushed to leave. Once it was just her, I ran to her and sexily thrust her shirt and bra off with my teeth. I thrust my humongous fuckstick between her sexy flesh bones. She loved it so much she immediately came and spewed her special baby feeding juice everywhere. The feeling was incredible. It was like my sausage was fully absorbed in her sexy chest steaks. "I want to give you a blowjob, you sexy stud," she said. And so she started sucking my dick. It was the best blowjob I'd ever had, and I've slept with like 500 girls. So. She used her teeth so well, biting back my foreskin and working through the legs. She was so turned on, so wet that the sex piss was dribbling down her legs. It was time to fuck. I shoved my cock angrily into her clitoris. Women's bodies are amazing. The fact they pee, poop, sex, and squeeze babies, all with the same hole. She moaned instantly and had another organism deep within me. It was so intense. It was like a seizure, but in a good way. I even felt her heart stop for a whole minute. I pushed her further and slid my fist into her as well as my penis and began jacking myself off inside her. It felt too good, and I started to spew jizz everywhere. It was like a pressure washer of pure manly sperm just flying through the air and launching her backwards as my load repainted the classroom. We redressed, and I gave her a quick wink before leaving for the school bus while she wrung my sperm out of the curtains. I hope you guys all enjoyed that. You can always find my LinkedIn profile for more of my professional work. I don't know about you lot, but after that sexy artistic masterpiece, I need to go and take a special wee. Pop a few Mentos in the old cola bottle, if you know what I'm saying. Good night, thank you.